The CMF Phone 3 Pro is an upcoming mid-range smartphone from Nothing sub-brand, widely expected to launch in May 2026. The leak suggests that the CMF Phone 3 Pro will feature a redesigned triple rear camera setup. One of the biggest changes this generation could be the processor. The upcoming phone is expected to move away from MediaTek chips and instead use a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 4. The CMF Phone 2 Pro, by comparison, uses a Dimensity 7300 Pro processor. Leaks suggest a larger 5,400 mAh to 5,500 mAh battery with support for 45W fast wired charging. The mid-frame could switch from plastic to metal, which may improve both in-hand feel and durability. The display is tipped to be an AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2392 by 1080, along with a centered punch hole cutout for the front-facing camera. There's no official confirmation yet from Nothing or CMF, and details could still change before launch. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.